What's the fastest way to create a major incident in your facility? Change something and forget to manage it. A pump gets replaced, a pipe gets rerouted, control logic gets updated. It feels small, routine, harmless, but every change touches equipment. Equipment introduces risk, and unmanaged risk creates incidents. Most major process safety events don't happen during normal operations. They happen after change. That's where MoC and PSSR come in. MoC, Management of Change, is your structured process to evaluate change before it happens. It forces you to ask, what exactly is changing? Why is it changing? What systems could this affect? What new hazards could this introduce? MoC evaluates technical impact, safety implications, process deviations, documentation updates, training requirements. It ensures engineering reviews it, safety evaluates it, operations understands it. In simple terms, MoC manages the thinking before the change. But approval on paper does not guarantee safety in the field. That's why PSSR exists. PSSR, Pre-Startup Safety Review, happens before equipment goes live. It answers one critical question. Is this safe to start? PSSR verifies. The installation matches the approved design. Safeguards are in place. Interlocks are tested. Relief devices are connected. Procedures are updated. Operators are trained. MoC evaluates the risk. PSSR verifies the controls. MoC is the blueprint review. PSSR is the final site inspection before turning the key. Now let's connect this to equipment mapping. Every equipment tag in your facility links to a process, a risk profile, a set of safeguards, defined approval authorities. When a change is raised, it must connect back to those links. What risks are tied to this asset? What safeguards protect it? Who must approve it? What downstream systems are affected? If that mapping isn't clear, blind spots appear, and blind spots are where incidents begin. Take a simple example, replacing a heat exchanger. MoC evaluates pressure rating, material compatibility, impact on relief capacity, P&ID updates, upstream and downstream effects. After installation, PSSR verifies correct installation, proper gasket ratings, pressure testing completed, safety valves reconnected, operators briefed. Only then should startup happen. Without MoC, hazards are missed. Without PSSR, safeguards are assumed, and assumption is not controlled. Strong safety systems connect equipment to risk, risk to approvals, approvals to verification, verification to startup authorization. Nothing moves forward unless every link is complete. Because change isn't dangerous, unmanaged change is. So remember, every change creates risk. MoC evaluates that risk. PSSR verifies the implementation. If you can't map it, you can't manage it. And if you can't manage it, you shouldn't start it. But when your equipment, risks, and approvals are fully connected, startup becomes controlled, confident, and compliant. If you're ready to move beyond paperwork, connect with us. We'll help you map it right, manage it smarter, and start it safe.